Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make 4K quality video in CapCut. Let's begin. So I've gotten this clip from online, and as you can see, it's from an anime scene and it is quite low quality. So we're going to make some adjustments to make it high quality. So once you've added in your video of your choice, go to the top right, then select the arrow going to the right here. So here's the arrow going to the left, then the arrow pointing to the right. Then look for something which says adjustments. Now, after selecting adjustments, scroll down a bit, then look for something which says saturation. Now, when you increase the saturation, it's going to increase the vibrancy of the colors. So if I decrease it, you're going to notice that the colors become very dull, and eventually it's going to lead to black and white. So what we're going to do is we're going to increase it a bit, just to make it a little bit more vibrant, like so. Afterwards, scroll down a bit, then go to contrast. So you're going to drag it to the right side a bit, just to make it pop a little bit. Afterwards, you can go to shadow, and then decrease it. Afterwards, scroll down and then look for effects. And under effects, look for sharpen. So you are going to drag it and increase it. It's going to increase the sharpness of the image. So before it looked very blurry. So after we increased it, it looks a lot more sharper. And then look for something which is clarity, simply drag it to the right. And now we're going to see how it looks after we've applied some of these changes. So as you can see here, it has become a lot more vibrant. It's a lot sharper, which is good. Now let's see what it looked like before we added the changes. So as you can see here, it's very dull. It doesn't look that great. It's very low quality. But then after we add in the details and the changes, this is what it looks like. Then once you're done, go to the top right and then select export. And where it says resolution, you are going to select 4K. Then you're going to select export. And there you go. That is how you make a 4K quality video in CapCut.